Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Atlantic City on the boardwalk. We're going to check out the Tropicana. It's been a while since we've been here. It's the first time since the COVID outbreak. The Tropicana is certainly one of my favorite hotels here on the Atlantic City boardwalk, although I am falling in love with the ocean at the total opposite end, the northern end of the boardwalk. But it's kind of funny that my favorite hotels and casinos here on the Atlantic City boardwalk are on the most northern end and the most southern end. There's really a lot going on here in Atlantic City for the past couple of years along the boardwalk. There was the opening of the Hard Rock as well as the Ocean Resort on the northern end, and in between the two is Showboat, which plans on opening a huge water park as well as a beach bar in the near future. On top of that, Trump Plaza in the middle of the boardwalk, which has been abandoned for years, is planned on being imploded sometime in January. And of course, I'm going to cover that event. Right now, currently, there's no plans for the Trump Plaza property once the building's imploded, but once I find anything out, I will certainly keep you guys posted. Just make sure you check out that community tab on the New York channel every once in a while. So let's step inside the Tropicana Hotel and Casino and let's see what's going on, shall we? If you're coming in right off the boardwalk, you're going to enter what's called the Tropicana Marketplace, which is a market filled with restaurants as well as little shops. The restaurants down here are a lot more casual than the ones upstairs, and we'll check the ones upstairs out shortly. Some of the casual restaurants you'll find down here at the marketplace include Casa Taco and Tequila Bar, Chucky's and Pete's Crab House and Sports Bar, which is known as one of the best sports bars in the country, actually. There's a Hooters down here, a Perry's Pizza, Tony Luke's Atlantic City, which serves up subs and cheesesteaks, a place called Going Nuts. There's the Green Bar, there's the Marketplace Express, a Damn Good Sports Bar, and the Seaside Cafe, which is both an indoor and outdoor eatery here downstairs. Even if you're not staying here at the Trop and you're walking the boardwalk or you're laying out on the beach and it's hot out if it's the summer, it's a great place to come in and cool off, spend a little time, have a little drink, maybe lunch. And if it's winter time and you're walking along the boardwalk in between hotels and casinos, great place to come in, spend some time and warm up, maybe a little hot cocoa. As you can see, there is gambling down here. It's mostly, I believe it's all slot machines actually. I don't think there's any table games down here, but the main casino is upstairs. We'll see that in a moment. And we just passed Hooters, a place known for their wings, and the Hooter Girls. And right now, the Hooter Girls face masks are covering more than their uniforms. This is the Fiesta Buffet, Tropicana's Endless Buffet, complete with a carving station, you-peel shrimp, and enough variety to satisfy any cravings. However, it's currently closed. Let's head up to what I call the main level. Hold on tight. Once you get to this level, if you go directly across the way, you take the escalator or stairs down and you come to the reception area. This level has the main casino as well as lots of restaurants and lounges and a pathway that leads to the quarter, which is the Tropicana's main shopping and restaurant strip. So I did go across the way and go down those escalators, which is going to bring us to that reception area and the parking level. And there's this place here called the Corner Market, which is a convenience store, which is really good if you're commuting, if you're not, staying here overnight or whatever. It's a great place to grab a snack before you get back in the car or grab a drink if you're getting out of the car. On the left here, we have the Luxe Salon, a great place to get your hair done or get a manicure or a pedicure. And you know what? It's a great place for you ladies as well. And here we have the reception area, or the front desk, if you will, for the Tropicana. Not very busy. I'm here on a weekday, by the way. And that's it for down here, so let's head on back upstairs, the main level. And here we have Boogie Nights, located in the heart of the Tropicana. Boogie Nights is dedicated to bringing back the magic of the 70s and 80s every Friday and Saturday night. Plus, don't miss our bonus decades, 90s and 2000s every Thursday. Come party with your favorite Boogie Night characters, including Mr. Boogie, Roller Girl, Hula Girl, celebrity impersonators, and all of your favorite 70s, 80s, and 90s icons. Boogie the night away on the lighted dance floor and around the largest disco ball you've ever seen. You know what? I've never been here. I definitely have to make a special trip. Now, you know I hardly ever get through a video without talking about the casino rug, and this one's not that bad. It's busy, it's kinda ugly, but it's colorful and cheerful, so I'll give it points for that. I think if Picasso had to come up with a casino rug, this would be the result. I'm not sure what the theming here is at the Tropicana, but it's definitely tropical, and something tells me that it's got a little bit of a Cuban flair, and the restaurant Cuba Libre, which we're going to pass in a little while, definitely helps add to that Cuban influence. These floors really crack me up. Do you prefer black and white or living color? This is the 10 North Lounge, a smoker-friendly lounge with a double-sided fireplace, cozy seating, and bar-top slot machines serving up all your favorite libations. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This is Il Verde. It's won a lot of awards as far as a restaurant in New Jersey, and it features fine Italian specialties and an extensive wine list. Okay, I'm going to bring up the background a little bit. I want you to hear this promotion.
And you're walking around and you're thinking, man, what do I have to do to get my chance? What do I have to do to get my shot to win $2 million? So all you have to do is take a job and get a reward card right on over to a customer and put in your order.
Only in New Jersey, folks. They don't do stuff like that in Vegas. Tropicana is home to what I call Gatorade fountains, and this would be one of them. And we're now heading into the Quarter, the main shopping and restaurant area of the Tropicana. Downstairs was a little bit more casual. This is a little bit more upscale. This is Golden Dynasty, award-winning traditional Mandarin cuisine in a modern setting. And across the way is Tango's Lounge, another casino lounge here at the Tropicana. And again, this area of the Trop is called the Quarter. I always thought they named it after the French Quarter, but when I thought about it, I said, it doesn't really look anything like the French Quarter, and I do know New Orleans. I mean, other than palm trees, it has nothing in common. And then one of you guys corrected me and said that it was called the Quarter because it's exactly a quarter of a mile long. I had no idea, so I appreciate that, and I like when you guys correct me. The Quarter has lots of places to shop, including America, Mrs. Fields, Starbucks, A Time for Wine, a.k.a. Blue Mercury Apothecary, Boardwalk Corner Store, Essentials, Irwin Pearl, Francesca's Collections, Hat Emporium, Havana Sundries, James Saltwater Taffy, Lick, Marshall Rousseau, Step Up, Swarovski, Talk of the Walk, Time After Time, Toomey, Tropicana Lobby Market, White House Black Market, Zephyr Gallery. Right now we're passing Blue Mercury Spa here at the Tropicana. Plan a relaxing visit to one of the top spas in Atlantic City, Blue Mercury, right here in the Quarter at the Tropicana. Lots of things to see and do here in the Quarter, and as we walk further down deeper into the Quarter, you'll find some better restaurants. There's also restaurants, nightclubs, and a IMAX theater upstairs as well, and we'll get there eventually. I mentioned earlier that something about this place just gives me a Cuban vibe, and I just realized that one of the towers here is called the Havana Tower. Duh. We're also heading towards the main parking garage here at the Tropicana, and this place on the left is called Slots in the Quarter, and it always cracks me up. It's as if to say, hey, Jeff from New York, you didn't lose enough money yet in the casino. Stop in here and lose a little bit more before you get in the car. And now we're heading towards some of the better-known restaurants here at the Trop. On the right here, Carmine's, New York City's legendary family-style Italian restaurant, perfect for large groups. I've eaten at the one in New York City, and this one as well, and I prefer the one in New York City, but this one's perfectly fine. They're popping up everywhere, it seems. There's also one in Vegas at the Forum Shops at Caesars. We just passed the Palm Restaurant, a classic New York City steakhouse with prime cuts and unforgettable sides. And this restaurant with what I believe is a Buick in front of it is Cuba Libre, the restaurant and rum bar. Authentic Cuban dining with a massive wood-fire Latin grill and rum selection. And now we're passing P.F. Chang's. I know you guys heard of that place, and it's unforgettable made-to-order Chinese and Pan-Asian food with crowd-pleasing favorites. And we're also passing Broadway Burger Bar, a modern burger bar with gourmet combinations and outrageous milkshakes. And this is one of my favorite places to visit when I'm here at the Tropicana, especially here in the Quarter. It's Zentinnia Gourmet Food and Marketplace. It's a 24/7 gourmet shop featuring a massive international snack and pantry item selection, hot and cold food bars, coffee, and gelato. When I stay here overnight, which I've done quite often for pleasure as well as business, this is my go-to place. Okay, we just went up one more level. We're heading towards the elevators to the Havana Tower, which of course we're not going to go on because we're not staying here for this visit. But there's a lot of restaurants and nightclubs in the IMAX Theater, so let's check those places out. This is Rira, a Irish pub sports bar, and used to be my favorite go-to for fish and chips. Now Gordon Ramsay in Vegas is my favorite go-to for fish and chips. But when I'm in Jersey and here in Atlantic City, I still love coming to this place. They have live entertainment, lots of sports playing on monitors throughout the place, and it's a really loud crowd, and I really appreciate that sometimes. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Sometimes I just can't help myself on these balconies. This is Kiss Kiss. It used to be a nightclub here at the Trop. Now it's a comedy club. They have all professional lineups, comics from New York City that all have credits on NBC, HBO, VH1, Comedy Central, Netflix, etc. I guess they need to change the name from Kiss Kiss to Ha Ha. And here we have Planet Rose Karaoke Bar, a funky, lively karaoke joint in the Tropicana that offers a wide song list. I think I told you guys I've won quite a few karaoke awards in my past, and get me liquored up enough and I think I'll win a few more. Don't cry for... Oh, never mind. Me, Argentina. I just can't help myself. And this is A Damn Good Sports Bar. Food, 40s, and fun. A Damn Good Sports Bar is Atlantic City's hottest sports bar and lounge. We thrill guests with 26 TVs, 4 110-inch mega screens, one 144-inch mega screen, and a DJ every Friday and Saturday night. Get here on Saturday for Seafood Saturdays, half-price seafood, steamed clams, steamed shrimp, and crab legs all day, every Saturday. If you're staying here at the Trop and you're looking for something else to do outside of the hotel and casino, check out these places or Google them and find out more. The Absecon Lighthouse here in New Jersey, Lucy the Elephant. Of course, there's always the beach and the boardwalk. There's the Atlantic City Aquarium, which is just north of the boardwalk here. There's historic Gardener's Basin, as well as Ripley's, believe it or not, right on the boardwalk. There's another Gatorade fountain. Here we have the Shack. It's only open on weekends and it serves up frozen drinks and empanadas. And finally, we have the IMAX Theater here at the Tropicana, the world's most powerful movie experience. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.